Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying compatibility and physical condition. This saves time. Inspect the metal contacts and plastic shell closely and plug the dongle into a known good USB port. Once done, try the dongle on another computer to confirm whether the problem is the dongle or the host. Make sure to power off devices before opening anything. You will need compressed air to clear debris and a magnifier to locate loose solder or bent pins. You now dig into diagnostics. Open Device Manager or your system profiler, find the vendor and product ID, and note driver status. If drivers are missing or corrupted, reinstall or reflash firmware using official vendor utilities. Checksums confirm integrity. Once software checks out, open the housing carefully with a precision screwdriver. Look for cold solder joints and crack traces. You can reflow suspect joints with a low-wattage iron, but be cautious to avoid overheating nearby components. You finish by reassembling the dongle and running full tests. Transfer files, check signal range, and verify stability across ports and devices. If you see intermittent issues, replace the antenna or add a ferrite bead to cut RF noise. This often solves flaky reception. Make sure to save a copy of any working firmware and record the device serial and vendor ID. That information speeds warranty claims or future repairs. If things still fail, consider professional board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.